Hi everyone, thanks to my mate Ian, this week I'm going to be trying some Thai treats. I don't know what a lot of these things are actually called. I just have to hold them up to the camera and hope that people know what they are. I think that's a durian fruit. I have no idea what I'm about to eat. Oh, it smells so bad. Oh, I can smell it from here. Oh, that stinks. Can't believe something smells this bad and I'm gonna eat it. I feel a little bit faint and sick. Maybe it tastes better than it smells, but here we go. I was thinking it was gonna taste better than what it smelled, but it tastes worse than what it smelled like. I don't know how to describe that taste. I feel like I've just licked the bottom of someone's feet. Next up I have these. As I said, I can't say any of these names, so I don't know. Should this even be eaten? Oh man, should this even be eaten? Wrapped up in little bits of bamboo. Really difficult to unwrap. Better be worth it. There it is. Doesn't look appealing, does it? I really like these ones. They are fruity, they are juicy. It's very like a soft jelly. Next up I have this. It's Lover's Plum. It says sweet, sour tasting plum. So this is what it looks like. It's called Lover's Plum and it actually does look like a shriveled up testicle. That being said, here we go. It's sweet and it's salt. Oh my gosh, it's sweet and it's salty and I've just said it looks like a testicle. I like plums, but why would they ever do this to a plum? That is such a strange flavour. Next up I have this, which is Cheng Biao Leong tea. It's some sort of herbal tea. I'm thinking this is going to be like some sort of a sweet tea. Oh, it smells weird. Oh no. Cheers. Wow, that is so sweet. I was expecting it to be a little bit funky with some herb taste in there, and I can taste some herbs in here, but it's actually incredibly sweet. It's quite nice. I like this. Next up I have these. They are green tea flavoured biscuits. Oh, cute little package. Oh, look at that, they're adorable. The biscuit on the outside of it isn't super sweet, but the inside feeling of the green tea is quite sweet. I was worried it was going to be really bitter like green tea, but these are good. Last up I have these. They seem to be some kind of sweet ball. They're balls filled with something or other. Let's have a look. I don't know what they're called. I can't say it. That's so cute. They're quite tasty though. They've got like a caramel sort of flavour in the middle of it and they've got coconut on the outside. It seems to be some sort of a jelly thing, also very testicle-like. Well, that's it for this week. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to give me the thumbs up, and I'd like to give a special thank you to Ian and his wife who's from Thailand for bringing me all those products. I'll leave Ian's channel link below. Okay then, bye. I'm going to be trying some try treats. Oh, I'm going to be trying far out. Oh, I just realised I'm holding a box up to my chest that says puppies.